In this video, you are going to learn how to create the pixel stretch art in Photoshop. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, I will show you how you can easily create the pixel stretch art, which is very famous and very popular these days. And you can create this amazing pixel art with the help of any image. So for this purpose, I have used one bright background. So it's very important that you take the bright background by going to this black and white circle and selecting a solid color, and you can choose any color. So in this case I have used this color, something like this, and pressed OK, and that would create a color. And thereafter what you have to do, you need one image of something and you need to remove the background from there, and then you can start. And before we go any further, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and please consider sharing this video with others. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for amazing tips, tricks, and tutorials. And if you are interested, check out my premium tutorials for more in-depth and personalized learning. The link is in the description section below. Press Alt and the down arrow key number of times to create this kind of effect. Keep on doing until you get this kind of option. Then select the top one and select the bottom layer and press Ctrl E to merge them together. So you will get something like this. And thereafter what you have to do, you have to select the rectangle marquee selection tool and make a selection of the area, something like this, so that you select some pixels, and then press Ctrl J or Command J to copy that, and then press Ctrl T or Command T and then click on one of these handles and just drag it down to create this stretch pixels from both sides. And you can even do this like that, and then press enter, and then turn on the bird layer on and bring it down under the layer. Create a duplicate copy and convert it to the smart object. Just rotate it horizontally and press enter. Then press Ctrl A Command A to select the entire canvas. Then select image and then select crop. And thereafter just deselect it by pressing Ctrl D and then rasterize this layer, and then go to the filter and choose the distort and choose polar coordinates and select rectangle to the polar and press OK. And that's going to create this circle. And now press Ctrl T or Command T and just resize it or make it proper circle, something like this, and reposition just behind the bird and make sure the circle is correct. And then just select this layer, create a mask, and just press Ctrl and click on the bird layer, and then select the soft round brush and just invert this selection, and with the black color just paint on this side to remove circle or pixel circle from the area where you don't want the circle to appear, to something like this. Later on, if you want, you can just have it on this side as well. Just refine the selection with the help of white and the black color. Just switch the color or flip the color with the help of pressing X on your keyboard, and press Ctrl D to deselect, and then select the bird layer. Right click and select convert to smart object and select the bottom layer and press Ctrl G and just resize them or rotate them to wherever you like and press the enter. After that, just go to this bird layer and just double click it, and that's going to open the layer style or layer FX options. And then you need to come over here on the drop shadow, just add a shadow, and the settings which I have used is the multiply, increase the opacity to around 59% and distance 3 and the size is 3. And then add one more drop shadow by clicking on the plus icon, and that would add a new drop shadow. And in this I have used the opacity as 30%, angle to 45%, distance 26 and the size is 30. And then add one more drop shadow by clicking drop shadow by clicking on this plus icon, and that would open one more shadow. And you can see I have used the blend mode multiply, opacity 64%, angle 50%, and distance 34%, and make sure use global light is unchecked, and the size is 35 pixels. So that way we are getting this amazing shadow. So let me show you by unchecking it. This is one shadow. This starts from here, and then second, this spreads little over here, and the third shadow which spreads something like this, and thereafter just press the OK. So now we have got this amazing shadow, and you can see by turning this on and off, this is looking just amazing. And thereafter I have just added a stroke of the brush with the orange color, and then I change its layer blend mode to, let's say, linear doge, and I have changed its opacity to around 80% and position it on the face so that some light shows on the face. So this is our final result. So let me show you by showing you full screen. So this is our final result. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for amazing tips, tricks, and tutorials.